Hi there! Today I'm showing you how to make this wonderful crumble recipe. So easy and delicious. Cut enough rhubarb to make 5 cups. Add 1 cup of sugar to the rhubarb. And add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix. Place 3/4 cup of flour in a bowl. Add 3/4 cup of oatmeal. And 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cut 3/4 cup of butter into cubes. Put the butter into the flour and work it until you get a finer mixture. Put the rhubarb into a buttered pan. Spread the flour mixture over it. Bake at 350 for 45 minutes.